You can easily fix cracks in your concrete patio or walkway with a few tools and a little know-how. First, clean out the crack with a wire brush and broom to remove any debris. Then, use a caulking gun to apply a concrete crack filler, or you can use a vinyl patching compound and a putty knife. Smooth the surface when you're finished. Start by undercutting the edges of the crack with a chisel and small sledgehammer to make it wider at the base. This helps the patching compound adhere better. Clean the area with a wire brush and broom and rinse away any debris. Trowel in vinyl patching compound, then tamp it down and smooth the surface. You can also use patching mortar mixed with a bonding agent in place of vinyl patching compound. Whether it's a narrow crack or a wide one, follow these steps to repair the concrete surfaces around your home and keep your exterior in top condition.